Izinkan saya berbahasa Inggeris untuk segmen ini. Wall Street stocks ended sharply lower on Wednesday, dragged down by losses in Nvidia and Tesla as investors awaited information about long-promised U.S. tariffs on automotive imports. U.S. President Donald Trump is set to announce plans for car industry tariffs at a press conference on Wednesday, widening the global trade war he kicked off this year.
Auto industry experts expect the move to drive up prices and stymie production. For weeks, Trump has promised to announce a swath of reciprocal tariffs on April 2nd.
Today we had the durable goods order information first thing in the morning, and I think that certainly is one of the components of what's driving stocks today. There were mixed results, so I think stocks were up initially and then came back down. I also think that perhaps we're seeing a bit of a delayed reaction to the latest consumer confidence numbers, which it was surprising that there wasn't a bigger reaction when those numbers came out. So it might be just that we're seeing that today as well. Just the volatility, the uncertainty, are we going to have tariffs? Are we not going to have tariffs? Is taking its toll. Tariffs are, expected to be inflationary. Inflation, we don't want to see inflation going up. But I would also point out that over the last few years, when inflation was higher than it had been prior to that, the markets actually did okay. It didn't seem like it was inflation itself that was the problem. But I think more recently, it's the uncertainty about that inflation. You can't plan. You don't know what to do if you don't know what's going to happen.
Shares of Tesla and General Motors both lost ground, with investors uncertain about the scale of tariffs, retaliatory measures from trading partners, and potential ripple effects on the global economy and businesses. Heavyweight chipmakers Nvidia and Broadcom both fell sharply. According to preliminary data, the S&P 500 lost 65.10 points, or 1.13%, to end at 5,711.55 points, while the Nasdaq Composite lost 372.84 points, or 2.04%, to 17,899.02. The Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 134.07 points, or 0.31%, to 42,444.02.